from the IPSi Print Lab. Today I'm going to show you how to change the ink cartridges and maintenance boxes on the new Epson C4000 Colorworks printer. So when do you actually need to change the ink cartridges and maintenance boxes? This is a common question people have, and a common mistake people make is changing them too early. So let me show you how to avoid that. When the ink level's low, a yellow caution sign will appear over the ink level indicators, just notifying you that that ink is close to running out. However, this does not mean you have to change those inks. If you change the ink every time you see a yellow indicator, you'll be wasting lots of ink, extra ink, and therefore money over time. You need to wait until you see an X appear over the indicator. That means that the ink cartridge is completely empty and needs to be changed. Alright, now that you know when you need to change the ink cartridges, let me show you how to change them. First, open the ink cartridge cover here on the bottom right hand side of the printer. Then you're going to want to look for which ink is empty. The inks are in a specific order. That order is labeled here on the right hand side so you won't forget. To remove the old ink cartridge, simply press this blue lever and it'll pop right out. Take the old ink cartridge out, grab a new one, give it a shake, and insert it back into the printer. Now you'll know it's inserted properly because you'll hear a click and the lever will pop back out. Changing the maintenance box is a similar process. There's a cover on the left side. The ink again is on the right, the maintenance box is on the left. You're just going to want to pop that open. Slide it out all the way. There's a little bit of a band here to keep it attached to the printer. Make sure you're pulling that out so you have full access to the maintenance box. Grab the handle and pull it straight out. Now, make sure when you're inserting the new maintenance box that the foil side is facing left and the lever is pointing at, or not the lever, sorry, the handle is pointing outwards. Okay, so get your new maintenance box, slide that in, make sure it goes all the way to the end, it's secured in there, and then pop the cover back on. Alright, now you know how to change your ink cartridges and maintenance boxes on your Epson C4000. Thank you for watching, and remember to go to infinitylabelgroup.com for all your printing needs.